Hey there, Tim Whitehead here with another video, and I have a really good one today. I really want to help you guys who are struggling to get clients in your business, especially if you're using LinkedIn as a means to get clients, okay? If you are using LinkedIn as a means to get clients, that's a great idea, okay? But just know you are competing against other resume writers, other coaches for the same clients. And so it's really important to know how to get clients, and I want to teach you about the rule of 100, how you can really 10x your business by utilizing this rule every day, okay? And we're going to get into it. Before we get into this video, do me a solid, like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This channel is dedicated to resume writers, coaches, and service providers who are trying to get more clients, make more money, and grow their business. Also, for those who are resume writers and need help with 10x in their business, I have an online course in the description box to teach you everything that I know about resume writing. I've been resume writing professionally in full time for nearly 10 years. So if that's something that you're interested in, you can just go down to the description box below. All right, so let's get into it. So again, you know, most people who are resume writers, coaches, who are struggling in their business, is really one thing that they're doing wrong, okay? They're not connecting to enough people. It's not enough. They're not connecting to enough people to get the amount of volume, AKA leads, they need to be able to close a sale and to get people on the phone, okay? If you're not connecting to at least, I want to say 70 to 100 people a day, and I'm talking about cold emails, you're hurting your business, okay? And you may be saying, okay, I don't like doing cold messages or cold emails or whatever. I want to just be able to post and get clients. Okay, you can post and get clients, and that should be a part of your marketing strategy, because really there are two primary ways you can get clients. All right, let's start there. Number one, you can post, broadcast, okay, and get clients that way by, you know, posting informative posts, posting testimonials, sharing stories, and you will get clients that way. I get clients that way, okay? But then guess what? When you do go that way, you're waiting on clients to come to you. But then you can go the other way. You can go the outreach way, and you go to your client base. And that's what we're going to talk about with the rule of 100. You need to have a strategy where you're going to your target audience, your target client, and you're reaching out to them, okay? Because here's the thing, and we're going to focus on LinkedIn messages today, opposed to emails and that kind of stuff. We're going to focus on LinkedIn messaging. What I do in my business with me and my team is that every day we get on LinkedIn, and this is number one. We get on LinkedIn, we know who our target audience is. You know, right now we're targeting product managers in the New York area, okay? And literally we will use LinkedIn to target that particular client. And mind you, I know you have questions, and if you have questions, leave them in the comments, of course. I'm giving you a high bird's view of what I do, okay? So we go on LinkedIn, we get that target client, and now we're sending messages out to that target client, okay, at scale. Our goal every day is to hit that 100 mark, okay? 100 clients, okay? Why 100, okay? You can go past you can go over 100, you can go below 100, but 100 has shown to be a very well-rounded number to be able to get a 1 to 5% response rate, you know, and that's what you want. You may say, hey man, 1 to 5%, that's not a lot. Look, we're in the acquisition business. Whether you're a resume writer, coach, or whatever, you are an entrepreneur. You're a business owner. And the way your business grows and thrives is you have to keep reaching out and connecting to your prospective clients. Because here's the thing, I will take reaching out to 100 people, getting 5 people to respond, getting 2 people to say yes to my coaching program, right? My coaching program is $5,000. My 90-day job offer career coaching program is $5,000. So it's worth reaching out to 100 people a day to get 5 people to respond, 2 to say yes. That's a 10 grand month, or 10 grands in sales, right? It can be that simple, you know. You may have a resume package that you say, well, man, you know, I don't have a $3,000 resume package. That's fine. That's fine too. You may have a $500 resume package. You may have a $250 resume package. The same principle applies. You reach out to 100 people. Let's say, in my experience with my resume business, is that I may have, you know, 10 people. That's 10%. 10 people respond out of 100, and you know, I get 5 to say yes to maybe one of my resume packages that's $500 or $997. You know, and that's what you want. The problem is, and this is why most resume writers, coaches, service providers struggle, is that they really don't put in the work. You may be watching this video and saying, man, how am I going to do 100 responses, you know, on LinkedIn a day? You know, first of all, you need to start. Just start somewhere, okay? Maybe you can't do 100 starting off. Well, guess what? 20 is better than 0. 50 is better than 0, right? The problem is, most resume writers do not do outreach marketing. They just post and they hope people come. You got to go to the people, because what I've discovered with a lot of the clients that I get, a lot of them been watching me for months upon months, and they just haven't had the motivation or been afraid to pull the trigger on connecting with me. And so I connect with them. You know, it's kind of like being in high school or college, and you see this girl that you're attracted to, and you know, you attracted to her. You don't know how she feel about you, and then you finally get the courage to come up to her and approach her, and then she lets you know that, man, she had a crush on you for 2 or 3 months around the same time you had a crush on her. You know, it's the same thing when you are, and this is the thing, and I'm gonna make another video on this, is once you mix your broadcasting marketing on LinkedIn, meaning your post, your content, with your outreach marketing, you're gonna have a perfect marriage, because now you're getting people to know, like, and trust you when you're posting, and people beginning to see you as a thought leader if you're posting right. Okay, and we're gonna make a video on that. And then, you know, with the outreach marketing, now they're like, oh man, you know, this person know that I exist. This person, you know, sees my need. And by the way, I have a free LinkedIn messaging template in the description if you're interested in that, because you may be wondering, man, I don't even know what to say in my outreach marketing. Don't worry about that. I created a LinkedIn messaging template, cold messaging template below that you can use to attract these clients. So the thing is, and I'm gonna say this and we get up out of here, is that start using the rule of 100 today. Okay, start using the rule of 100 today. If you don't make it to 100 clients, that's fine. Just put in the work to reach as many people as possible. Download my template, you know, do that. If you're struggling and you're like, man, dude, I don't even know my niche. I don't know who my target client is. I recommend you downloading or getting my online course, okay? My online profitable resume writing course is my system where I teach you how I make $500 a day in my resume writing business. And you can do the same. It's not hard. It's a part of this rule of 100 I'm talking about. But the course is going to help you identify your niche, identify just kind of what to say, how to approach them, things of that nature. So, and that's going to be great. And also, you know, if you're trying to get like you want more coaching, more kind of advanced teaching, or help with the implementation of everything that I'm talking about, feel free to reach out to me, and we can book a coaching session where I can help you really grow your business and get more clients. Okay, that's the biggest thing. So that's it. That's what I got for this video today. Remember, the biggest thing is use the rule of 100. Reach out to 100 people. Start that today. This is how you 10x your business. Why? And guess what? It separates you from your competition, because most resume writers, career coaches, service providers, guess what? They don't do this. They don't do it at all. And so that's it. That's all I got for today, guys. Remember, be great, have fun, make money. Peace.